Hello, today we're looking at best buys and we're trying to find the best value for your money. So a unit cost tells us the cost of something per unit. We can work this out quite easily by using this little formula. The cost of an item divided by the quantity of measurement is the cost per quantity. For example, if I had 4 apples and it cost me $2, if I wanted to work out the cost per quantity, I'm just going to take the $2 cost and divide it by 4 apples. This will give me 50 cents per apple. So this is an example of a unit rate because we have found the value or the cost per single unit of an item. So we can find the unit cost per item to determine which is the best buy. So by working out the individual cost per item, we can work out which one is the cheapest deal to purchase. For example, Coca-Cola bottles are sold in 3 different sizes. They have a 600ml bottle for $4, they have a 1.25 litre bottle for $3, and they have a 2 litre bottle for $4. So we need to rank these bottles from the best to the worst buy. Now you notice that 2 of the measurements are in litres and only 1 is in milliliters. So I'm going to convert the milliliters to litres so it's easy to compare all the different measurements together. So if we use our little unit rate formula from before, $4 divided by 0.6 litres means the 600ml bottle of Coke is $6.67 per litre. The 1.25 litre of Coke, $3 divided by 1.25 litres is $2.40 per litre. And with the 2 litre bottle, $4 divided by 2 litres is $2 per litre. So if we're wanting the cheapest deal possible, the 2 litre bottle is the best value because it's the cheapest, and then the 1.25 litre is the second best value, and the worst value is the 600ml Coke. So in that order, 2 litres, 1.25 litres, and then 600ml. Some questions will require you to use a specific quantity in your answers. Here's another example. So a company sells 3 different sizes of coffee beans. They sell a 500 gram bag for $11, which is the small one. They sell a medium bag, that's 1 kilo, for $20. And they sell a really large 2.5 kilo bag for $51. Which is the best deal per 100 grams? Now there are a few ways to do this, but I'm going to try and keep it super simple. Because we're talking about 100 grams, I'm going to make all the units grams. So the 1 kilo I'll turn into 1,000 grams, and the 2.5 kilos I'll turn into 2,500 grams. Now we're going to follow the same steps as before. We're going to go cost divided by quantity, but I'm just going to times by 100 at the end. The reason I do this is $11 divided by 500 grams will give me the cost per 1 gram. But because the question wants per 100 grams, I'm just going to times by 100. So I end up with $2.20 per 100 grams. Alternatively, you could have just divided by 5, because 500 grams divided by 5 will give you your 100 grams. That works as well. For the 1 kilo bag, $20 divided by 1,000 grams and then times by 100 is $2 per 100 grams. And for the big bag, $51 divided by 2,500 grams times 100 is $2.04. So all this question wants us to do is say which is the best deal. So looking at the cheapest price, it looks like the medium bag was the best deal. And we can see that the large bag was a slightly worse deal, only a tiny bit more expensive. And then the small bag was the worst of all 3. So the medium bag was the best value per 100 grams. Next time you go to the shops, just have a look at whatever you're buying, and on most price tags, it'll tell you the unit cost in the bottom left corner. So for example, I was looking at some dairy milk chocolate. On the left, we can see that the small bar for 75 grams was $3.33 per 100 grams. I grabbed a family block as well, and I could see that it was $2.22 per 100 grams, so it's slightly better. But it turns out that the normal big block of chocolate that wasn't even on special actually is the best value per 100 grams at $1.94. So the next time you're trying to buy a product and you want the best value for money, just have a look at the price tag and just see if it tells you the price per quantity, because that's a really easy way for you to find the best deal when you're shopping. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions at all, let me know down below. Have a lovely day.